I don't know how or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down. I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in.
Hey guys, hubby did his me time shopping, right? I wanted to show you what he grabbed. Girl, it's zero sugar ginger ale over here. Some lemon lime, kind of like a Spritey, right? Loaf of bread is rocking over here. He ran to Wawa. Oh, he didn't get me any more creamer. I probably have enough. He probably shook, the container and was like, she good. So the half and half, right? The iced tea and the lemonade, which is good. It's just so sweet. Like, I can't rock this. But you know what I am feeling? The packets, like the water ones. I do like those a lot. So the Goya Cola Champagne, right? He grabbed 2 of those. Me and Kara don't rock, but him and Sydney, they love these. So, Some pomegranate juice, which this container is so darn cute. A couple of those, some more ketchup. We all about the ketchup. We needed some more cocktail sauce. Yes, on that for the shrimp. He always buying some fun stuff. Halloween Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, this is him and Sid all the way. This is probably my favorite. You know what? I think I'm a binge watch. Sydney up there singing. I think I'm a binge watch the Flintstones. Something fun, right? Yes, on the Fruity Pebbles. Some Nutri-Grain bars, just the blueberry ones. We must have the other ones stocked, like the strawberry ones. The girls like these for lunch. These are for me. I still rock these cinnamon brown sugar. The oatmeal squares, I love them so much. I'm about to eat one now. I'm going to wash these grapes up, right? He bought some more of, this is for him, the light roast, that breakfast blend, that Green Mountain. So a little stock up on that. Onions, bananas. Sid loves these. Mac and cheese, right? Some of the Intimates. Oh, he got apple cider this time. I think the last time he grabbed pumpkin. So yes on that. I'm going to throw those over. Some food for Hershey, the Blue Buffalo. She really likes this lamb. So you guys, she's not rocking with the other one, the order one. He was so gung-ho about it coming with her name on it, but I don't know if it's the texture or what. But yeah, she's been cooling the gang, and that lamb is her favorite. So we just got, a little variety. So yes on that. Over here, he said, babe, they just did this for you, right? I guess he went and asked for a piece. And, they sealed it up all nice and things for me. Some pork chops and some strips down here. Some beef strips. I think he bought these for Hershey. For me to make for her. Probably. Girl, that girl eat better than we do. Oh my goodness. Some more of the hot sausage. That is hubby and Sydney all the way. Some beef raviolis, which I think I might do a lasagna with the raviolis. You feel me? I think I might rock. Yeah, I think I might do that. Some Caesar salad and some nuggets. Re-up for Sid. Look, with the fun. Hubby loves these little plates. He all about it. So yes on the Halloween. And he just grabbed a couple of these, which I don't think I needed any. And then some sour cream and onion. This is me and Sydney all the way. So yeah, he just did a quick and fast. Yeah, nothing too crazy.
Dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're meant to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
Hey guys, so I'm out here in the garage, right, on the industrial. You know, we have 3 of these industrial shelves, and you know, I put all the yellow and black bins on the one shelf as soon as you come out the door, right? So over here, I had Easter at the bottom, I had V-Day right here, and then the 2 top shelves are Christmas. So what I'm doing now is more bins, more bubble wrap. I'm taking all the things off of the shelf because 1, I just need to take them off the shelf. 2, once I do, I'll have more room because you see that it's only going up as high as what is here. So I'm losing all of that space, right, on these shelves. So I can get 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 bins straight across. So my Christmas is my everything. That is probably the biggest collection I have, and I love it. I will probably never get rid of, girl. I just love it so much. Ray Dunn is a big part of my life, and yeah, so, and then right after that is Halloween, but I kind of got that under wraps a little bit. So that is what I'm out here doing. So here is the first bin I finished. That's all the Easter, right? And now I'm working my way from the bottom to the top. And I'm doing it so that the holiday that's first is up top, and then this, and then that, right? So V-Day, and then the Christmas, and hubby can put them all back on the shelf. You know what I mean? So, girl, I'm so excited. I just moved this over here. It wasn't too heavy. So I'm going to just mark this Valentine's, right? I threw the pillows up here, the XO. It's a heart back there. And then I'll throw the top on. And then over here is all of my ice cream good. I feel like I don't need a big bin for this. You know what I mean? So I'm hoping I could put everything in these 2 white. I don't know. Yeah, I don't have a small bin. Hold on. I have to sneeze. Girl, out here with all this dust and things. I have a mask on though. So yeah, I'm gonna, move my ice cream cone and things over here, right? Everything's getting cleaned off. And yeah, I think I'll be able to put everything in here, set it in here. I think. So hopefully, the bin is too big for this little bit of stuff, right? Okay, perfect. Everything fit in here. I actually took the tray and moved it, but it all fits in here perfect. So this is just like one section, you know what I mean? And look at all this room. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so a couple days later, right, I got so into moving all the things and everything, I forgot to show you what progress I made. So one more bin. Remember I showed you this one, so I still need to put the top on. This is all the Valentine's Day stuff. That's all the Easter. So all the Easter that was on the bottom, right? Oh, with some hollow that needs to come out. My big pumpkins. Yeah, that need to come out for Halloween, right? So Valentine's Day and Easter. I did show you this. I just scooted it over. All the ice cream, that Christmas needs to come out. These 2 right here needs to go up top. But I didn't put any of... Wait a minute, hold on. I wanted to get on top of the ladder so I could show you. I didn't put any of my like medium size and big candies, mostly big candies, in the bins. It's too many of them. That's too heavy. So I just took this space right here and just put them all. I took the tops off, like the bottom ones, and then set it on top. Yes, on the Santa's cookies, right? And then I have my birdhouses here. you know, a picture or two back there. And then over here is the Christmas ball. So the small, the medium, and the large. Oh my goodness. I just love this stuff so much. A couple Crocs back there, right? I think it's 3. My cake plate is up there, right? So this is how it's going to rock. It's nice and sturdy. Nothing's moving. So yeah, I'm so happy about how it came out. Since I'm up here, right, I'm trying to hold my balance on this ladder. So I was very strategic, at least I tried to be when I was doing this. So I know what's in it. You know what I mean? So it's mostly green, like elf, and all of my snowy stuff is in here for the most part, and then a couple other things. Over here is like pepperminty, so like all of my red and white, like all the things that, you know, I would rock for peppermints, right? So yes, on that. I'm okay. So yeah, so this is how it's rocking, and I can get 3 bins up top, probably 4 if I move that over there. So that's insane. Like I'm so proud of myself, and I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I love the uniform look with the black bins and the yellow tops. I really, really do. And until I make the labels, I can just write right on here what they are, what's rocking inside. I found these while I was out here. Time for booze. Aren't these from Target? And then the other side says cheers, witches. I'm gonna take those downstairs in the basement. And these dishes are out here too. So yeah, remember these? Oh my goodness. These are the snowflakes down here. And then these right here. I love Dollar Tree dishes. So yeah, you guys, I am super proud of myself. Oh my goodness. Even hubby was like, oh my gosh, look at all this space. Yes, on that. It just needed to be done. You know what I mean? And I have so big of a collection, you know. So all right, so I'm gonna grab a couple of the Halloween things and take them in so I can get started, and I'll see you soon, because let me tell you, we gotta talk about my new house purse. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. I'll see you soon. Bye.